Washing! Welcome to Pure Octane Garage, where we cover everything automotive.
Right, like product reviews, detailing, how-to tips,
events, toys, games, and even news.
So please like, subscribe,
and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out.
Right, we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.
Today we're going to do a maintenance wash on a 2011 Camaro.
Right, this 2011 Camaro has a spray ceramic coating on it, and we want to show you guys how easy it is to maintain that cleanliness of the vehicle from start to finish.
Yeah, coated vehicles are super easy to keep clean.
Yeah, so let's get out there and get started washing.
We'll see you over there.
Later. Alright, so guys, we're going to start out here. Wheels and tires are how we start these things out, because that's the grimiest, grungiest, and they get their own dedicated bucket. So we're going to start with them first. A little soap in the bucket. Sound effects there. And a little water. Get some more soap worked up here.
So since these wheels aren't super dirty, we're going to go ahead. We have a tire and rubber cleaner and eco wheel cleaner that we use. I'm not going to use a lot of those chemicals. These are pretty clean still, but they are dirty enough where I'll rinse them really good and then use the wheel woolly to get in the barrels, and you'll see that. So the next step is a really, really thorough rinse. So next, we're going to do the foam, wash, and rinse. Got to take the sprayer off the end here. Put that in my pocket. Alright, so let's move this little guy off to the side. And we'll start the foam. The next step is drying the car completely. Get yourself a good soft waffled towel like this one, or here I've got a water spray that is really soft and absorbent, and you just dry it really well. I usually start from the top and work my way down. And for the final drying step, we use this air dryer to get into all the cracks behind the tail lights where all that water and moisture hides. It'll kind of blow it out here. Let me show you here. Doing that, we take a towel and just kind of follow behind and get that last bit of moisture out of there. Also, we come in here to get the door jambs. Another important step that sometimes gets missed is you want to clean and dry your door jambs. These ones are pretty clean, but they are wet. So come in here, dry this really well, and if you do this with every maintenance wash, it never builds up a lot of dirt. As you can see, it's pretty clean. I've maintained this, but it's a step that you don't want to forget. And your final few steps is a good glass cleaner. Get all the streakiness off with a microfiber for glass. The other thing you can do is you can use a ceramic boost kind of copper that will help maintain your existing coating. The other thing you can do is a good tire dressing. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to pull the car into the garage out of the sun. I don't like cleaning the glass in the direct sun. It's pretty warm out here, so the glass cleaner will dry too quickly. So I'm going to pull it into the garage and do these last few steps. So as you can see, that maintenance wash on the 2011 Camaro was pretty simple, straightforward.
Yeah, I think if you take anything away from this, coat your car.
It makes those maintenance washes super easy. The dirt falls off.
It does. It just knocks right off, and quick and easy dry, and you're good to go.
Yeah. And don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell,
and share with your friends.
And we'll see you in the next video.
That's right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Great.
Let's get
now we're
wet.
stuck with that. I detail that. Sorry.
Ooh, there you go.